In lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to use where command on Windows 11 operating system. So first here, I'm going to open the command prompt. So here on the search box right there, CMD. Then you can get command prompt. Open that. So here I'm going to back to the C traps. So here we need to use cd dot dot. So now control this is on the C traps. So here you need to write where. Then you can get to this place, this all helping things. So here you can see R. So recursively search and display the files match given pattern starting. And this is for Q, return only exit code without displaying anything. And F for display the matches files in double quote. And T display the files lost modified date time as well. And here you can see display this helping message. So if you're using where backward slash question mark, then you can get those same things. So with this using, so it display the helping message. Now next I'm going to show you about the where and my file name, my file and question mark this. So first I'm going to move into C traps. So inside the C traps you can see some files are there. Okay, so some files are there. So here, so first we need to write where, then this place giving the file name. So you can see dev list is the or text file. So let's write here dev list. And since this is text files, so we need to include extension txt. After that the next is question marks, then give here dot and a star. So a star that is a wildcard. So whatever first that search this dev list text files on the C traps, and thereafter entire C that will display here a star dot. That means extension that is so exe file, dat, bat, anything, whatever inside the C that displays. So let's press enter so you can see this all displaying here. Okay, so I'm going to move a little bit upper. So now you can see here. So it's there are so many lists: CPP, DL, AX, COM, DL, CPP, executable, RS file. This all are displaying this places. Okay, with this using command. So the next here. So this is here where dev list. So there are so many files included these extensions. Now there I'm going to display on the txt. So txt, now you can see dev list. This is on the C traps, and other txt files like csub and news.txt that also in this C trap. Okay. So if you are using a .txt, so this will search only txt files. If you are using here or this star, so if you are using this star, that means this will include extension like exe, dll, cs, rs, everything. Okay, so the next thing is, so here I'm going to show you this finish file. So now you can see, okay, there's one more thing. So this is here text, and go on this properties. So properties general, or let's write here, right click, so more option. So now you can see this is here log file is there. Okay, so since this is a log files, so this place we can not only include the one file, we can include the multiple file. So this time, so this is a log file or finish. So we need to write here finish, then we need to give the extension log. Okay, so not going to give here a start because it will search all. Okay, so if you are printing this, then you can see this all. It's a display. Okay, I have given the star so that it's a displaying all. So let's include txt. Then you can see here dev list that font, log that also font, and other txt font here. So that means with where we can use or two file names. If you want, then you can include one more. So one more we can easily see here msdia, msdia, then 80. We need to give the extension dll. So you can see three files that search here. So dev list finish this off. Okay, this is MSTIA. This is on the C drive, also on the system, inside the system32 folder or directory. Okay, so this is about here where. So this is about or this how to use this where my file name my this one. After that, the next is if you want to see the all contents on the Windows directory. So for this one, you need to use this command. So where then $win directory, then start dot start. If you press enter, then inside the Windows, all kind of file like ini, log, dir, executable, then manifest, prx, all the file that's displaying inside the Windows. If you want to only display here or like txt, so here you can see only txt it's displaying. If you want to display only rs on the Windows directory, then you can give the extension rs. So I think rs has no any files inside there. prx is there, so let's give prx. Then you can see prx or displaying also on inside the Windows directory. Okay. So now let's use where. So this is done about this one. After that here are. So about the or you already know. So recursively search and display the files match given pattern. So this is about the or. So let's see the example of the or. Okay. So let going to use here where. Then we need to write backward slash capital or small. You can give anyone. So here giving small, then C drive colon for backward slash. After that, the next is here going to search csc.exe. So csc, that is the extension of C sharp. If I press enter, so here I am missing something. csc.exe, that's fine. Or C drive backward slash C drive csc.exe. Okay, press enter and okay, that's fine here. This file csc.exe file that's searching here, and now this is getting in this path. Okay, this is still searching and csc. So csc file that's I already installed Microsoft.NET so that this content is displaying. So this is the use of or. Or is used to display the file path. Okay, so this search all the files. This is on the csc related executor file. So csc executor file, this is on this directory, and after that it's this directory. Okay, now the next where that so this is here where you want to search. If you want, then you can search here dot. On the Windows directory, you can search executable dot bat all kind of files. Okay, if you are using them, you can see this is all searching and it's taking time to search because there are so many files inside the Windows directory. Okay, So there are so many files and executable files, so bad files. So okay, so it will take some time to search this all. So I'm not going to, okay, this is search and that find dlr.exe on the Windows directories. So here you can see this is of Windows. Okay, so if you want to avoid this so things, so only you need to search whatever the particular files from there. After that, the next, let's see what exactly it is. So the next is queue. Okay, so if I use where queue, so here you can see, so what exactly is the use for the queue. So here you can see returns only the exit. So it will not display only exit. So no people are using queue command. So if you are using, then or you cannot see, it's not used to display anything. Okay, so avoid this one. Now the next is, so here you can see where C, and let's copy this command and use there. So if you want to search on the Windows directories and 32 Windows system 32 directory DL files, so you can use this command. So all DL file that's displaying. If you want to display only executable, then you can use here exe. So on system 32, only displaying executable file. And if there CS or XML, I'm going to search if that available, then that's displaying only XML file on this system 32 directory. So other directory, other location you can also give. Now the next, let's see what exactly is the where. So the next is here, we can use this where. So let's use, so F, that is used to display the match file in a double quote, and T is used to display the file size, last modified set, this all. Okay, so for this one, let's copy this command and paste there. Then you can see this, you can see T and F. So date timing path, it's displaying all these places. Okay, so the next here you can also include exe. So here you can see this, all those things. Okay, so thereafter the next is this T is display the file size last modified, and F is this. Now you can use only one of this. So T is used to display the file size. So here you can see this file size, it's displaying 00 at this one. Okay, now if you want to include that or two, then you can also include that. So if you want to display here F, so if you can also display, then this is or displaying the file path also, not the size. Okay, so let's see here. So this is F and T about. So this is how we can use Windows 11 where command. Okay, so I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.